Meet Lily, a young girl with a passion for baking and an even bigger passion for earning badges in the Sweetie Patrol. But her latest cookie creation might just be her wildest yet. Lily's cookie flavors are out of this world: fungi and algae. She's determined to sell enough boxes to earn her bottom dweller and bling bling badges, even if it means hiding them from her hungry roommate and curious cat. But Lily's baking ambitions go up in smoke, or rather, an explosion, when she accidentally uses nitroglycerin instead of vanilla extract. Now, she's on a mission to clean up the mess and still sell those cookies. In the end, Lily finds solace in the taste of snail litter, apparently better than pineapple, and continues her search for the perfect hiding spot, determined to make her sales quota despite the chaos. Lily's story teaches us that creativity and determination can lead to unexpected places, even if it means tasting snail litter or causing a small explosion. Always aim high, and remember, sometimes the best recipes come from the most unexpected ingredients.